ask Dr. Rodela here, Castillo, why does it often, aside from that factor, take so long for rare disease or these patients to receive the right diagnosis?
Yes, very important question. I think the past three patients have shared about their odyssey. Maybe not so much for Jeremy kasi na-diagnose siya agad. So, my background is in child neurology, meaning we treat brain, nerve, muscle, and spinal cord problems. So, FYI, before I answer that question, majority ng rare diseases na i-involve ng nervous system, may neuro involvement. Even lupus, of course, neurofibroma kasi nerve, and even Jeremy, di ba? It's in the brain. It's a brain tumor. So majority involves the nervous system, so neurologists. That's why yung PNA or the Philippine Neurological Association actually created